$1 man.
Not now.
Not now.
Might be later on. Like hashtag
For YouTube.
Yeah. I just make YouTube.
Bali travel vlog.
Yeah, that's me. Wow, thank you very much for watching my video,
boy,
brother.
I'm trying to find you. I go home today.
Hello. Give me 5. Wow. Welcome to Bali.
What's your channel?
Bali travel vlog.
Garlic Travel Vlog.
Yeah, this is mine.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Wow, busy this area. Busy. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the session at the moment in Garlic Lane Legian, Bali. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the session right at the moment, just keep in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Garlic Lane Legian, Bali. And over to today start from the north area until to the south area in Legian, Bali, Garlic Lane Legian, Bali. Okay, let me show you around here. Wow, a lot of trees there. At the restaurant also, it's good. Quite busy. See? Wow. We will start my video from here until to the south area on Garlic Lane Legian, Bali. Wow, so busy. Hard, even just for to cross the street. Hey, now it's my turn. Hello. Yeah, we hope together we will see a lot of tourists at Garlic Lane Legian, Bali today. Hello, how are you? See that at the front? This is Garlic Lane Legian, Bali. The other day, I already made video in this area also around a week ago. Yeah, I think around 6 days ago. But today we will hope more tourists at Garlic Lane Legian, Bali, because the other day was very quiet. Hello, welcome to Bali. Hang on, your wife call you. Hang on, it's here. Okay, let's cross straight. Beautiful weather, and we hope a lot of tourists in Padma, Bali. Actually, this is Garlic Lane. Garlic Lane Legian, Bali. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Wow. Welcome to Bali. Give me 5. Ooh. Ooh, beautiful smile. Yeah. Over there should be busy. I'm curious because a week ago when I made video in this area it was really quiet. We hope together today we will see a lot of tourists at Garlic Lane Legian, Bali. See that? Wow. Lamige. Woo. Have to be busy. A week ago was quiet, but today must be busy. Hello, welcome to Bali. I'll record you a little bit.
Oh, good there.
Where do you come from?
Australia.
from Australia. I just make YouTube for update session in Bali
Oh,
for YouTube
well,
because there is a lot of people they want to know the update session in Bali.
yes.
Yeah, since the pandemic, I make video.
Do you know meeting down at the entrance to the beach
Yeah, I just been there. Happy.
last week?
Uh-huh.
Maybe last week?
Oh, last week I also been there.
Like, maybe?
I've been there also last week.
There you go. So this will be number 2. Still going well. Still going well. Still
Enjoy your
going well.
holiday. Yeah.
Great holiday. Bali.
Enjoy the beautiful weather. Thank you. They come from Australia. It's good. As I told you, there is a lot of Australians stay in this area. And let me show you how like at the locals restaurant. Because now it's lunchtime. Should be busy over there. Wow, busy. It's good. The next door. Wow, busy. That's just really good, isn't it? A lot of tourists having lunch now at the local restaurant. That's good. $1 man shop. Eateries over there. It's good. $1 man.
Not now.
Not now.
Might be later on. Like I say,
For YouTube.
Yeah. I just make YouTube.
Bali travel vlog.
Yeah, that's me. Wow, thank you very much for watching my video,
boy,
brother.
I'm trying to find you. I go home today.
Are you leaving
I've been
today?
trying for 5 years to find you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Today you find me.
Yes.
Thank you very much
Can
for
I
watching
take
my
a photo
video.
with my wife?
Sure.
Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Where do you come from, Australia?
Melbourne, Australia.
What's your name, brother?
Harry.
Harry.
Yes.
Thank you, Harry.
Harry Potter.
Harry.
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. Thank you for watching my video.
No, thank you so much. We love watching it.
Okay, have a good day.
Have a good day.
Thank you, Harry.
Harry.
Watching my video also. That's love it. Wow, busy. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Brother. So big. Good. Good body. Harry, yes. Harry, thank you, Harry, for watching my video. Cross street, right side. Oh, future is over there. That's good. Quite busy in this area. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Wow, no, it's really getting busier. It's good. More and more tourists in this area today. Last week was quiet. Today, busy. Really happy to see this. Hello. Give me 5. Wow. Beautiful smile. Shopping. Give me 5. Wow. Enjoy your smile. Wow, busy here. That's good. Also, cross street at the right side. A lot of trees over there. Busy, isn't it? Wow, more tourists in this area. You see that? Wow. New restaurant, but recommended because my viewer told me that's very nice restaurant over there. And this is another Bloody Wanka. Billy 60 bar. Billy 69 bar. Bloody Wanka. Always busy. That's good. Welcome to Bali.
Your channel,
Bali travel vlog.
Garlic Travel Vlog.
Yeah, this is mine.
Nice.
Enjoy your holiday, yeah?
Yes.
Where do you come from? Huh?
Sad day. Home time.
Oh,
Sad day.
you're leaving today.
Yeah, tonight.
Really sad. Stay longer.
Yeah, I want
because
to.
the weather is just so beautiful.
Yeah.
Where about Australia? Where about?
Country New South Wales.
Oh, New South Wales.
Country.
Nice country. Nice. Canada. Huge country.
Yeah.
Enjoy your holiday, yeah?
Enjoy it.
Thank you, brother. Thank
Look out,
you. Wow. New South Wales. Wow. Busy, really busy. That's good. More and more tourists in this area. Wow. Everyone in rush. Right side at the restaurant. Also a few tourists over there. That's good. Hello, brother. Hello. Busy, 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 busy. Everyone busy. Busy, happy.
Yeah, I'll put my location on too.
I think they come from New Zealand. Look like New Zealand people. Wow, looks so busy in this area. They're just really good, isn't it? Yeah, as I told you, cross street at the restaurant. Future is over there. Wow. Busy, busy, busy. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali. Wow, busy, busy. That's good. Across the street at the restaurant. Also, a lot of trees over there. Wow, tourists everywhere. It's good. Harry, still longer, Harry. Woof. Kipas angin. Kipas angin. Let me show you how busy at the art market. It's quite busy. That's good. Just so nice to be in this area because under the shadow, it's not so hot in this area at the art market. Okay, from the art market, let's going back to the main road at Garlic Lane Legian Bali. See, across street, also a lot of trees over there. Good, isn't it? That's good. Woohoo. Garlic Lane Legian Bali is back. More trees in this area today. That's good. Also at the restaurant, wow, a lot of trees over there. Let me show you the menu in this restaurant. So you can screenshot what they're selling here in this restaurant. Okay. Otherwise, also you can see here hot dog, $7. Mama Bean, $7. It's good. Okay, guys. So this is our new today at Garlic Lane Legian Bali. So what do you think? It's quite busy, isn't it? More busier compared with the last week. So Garlic Line is getting better and Garlic Line is back. Okay, guys. If you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also, you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment at Garlic Lane Legian Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the news situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Busy, busy, busy. Busy, busy, busy. See? Really busy, busy, busy. Wow, busy over there too. At restaurant, inside the shop, shopping, shopping.